Rice is a staple in most homes. Personally, I cook rice probably about 3 to 4 times in the week. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to stop cooking boring rice. Yes, your rice should taste better. It should be more flavorful than just plain old boring rice cooked with just water and salt and maybe a little bit of oil. So please relax and get ready for today's cooking class. So one way to add flavor to your rice is by cooking it with broth or stock. So here I used chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock, fish stock, any meat stock of your choice, okay? And then add a bit of depth to your plain rice. So this is the same rice you're seeing in this next clip. As you can see, it's looking very good, fluffy. And trust me, I didn't need to add salt because there was enough salt in the stock or broth I used to cook it. So let's move on to another way you can add flavor to your rice. So you can do that by adding some coconut milk. So half and half of coconut milk to water. So if you're using 1 cup of coconut milk, add a cup of water. This will add some creaminess and of course more flavor to your what's supposed to have been plain rice. If you've never tried cooking your rice in coconut milk, please do so. Trust me, you will not be turned off by the taste. You're going to love it. Another way you can add flavor to your plain rice is by adding some spices. So here I'm using curry powder. You can do turmeric powder. Cumin and bay leaves are also great spices to add flavor to your rice. Let me first apologize for the poor quality of this part of the video. It's a very old video, but I had to pull it to come and explain that you can also add herbs to your rice to add more flavor to it. So here I used moringa leaves. You can also use other spices like cilantro, parsley, thyme, you name it, okay? Moving on, another way you can add more flavor to your rice is by using butter instead of oil. I said butter, not margarine. There's a difference, okay? Butter adds a ton of flavor to your rice dishes. So if you haven't tried it, please do so. Also, you can add flavor to your rice dishes by adding some aromatics. So here I added some onions. You can also do ginger and garlic. That's the reason why it's advisable not to skip on these aromatics when you're cooking fried rice, okay? Another way you can improve upon the taste of your rice is by adding another ingredient to your rice, if I would say. So here I used some wheat. You can use beans or peas if you like. And then others also sway towards nuts. So cashew nuts are here are very great when it comes to your rice dishes. Okay, so you can try that as well. Another way to also up your rice game is by adding some macaroni or spaghetti. So in these two ensuing videos, I fried them golden brown and then added my rice. It's also a great way to present something new to the family, especially the kids. They like it when you present rice. You know, the rice is like their favorite thing, okay? But when it's always in a different way, then they're always happy to dig in, okay? Another way to have more flavorful rice is by cooking your rice and then adding vegetables. So usually I do that when I'm doing my one pot fried rice recipes. There are a ton of them on my channel. You can check it out and then pick one of them and try it for the family as well. Okay. So once you add vegetables, it gives your rice a facelift, if I may put it that way, okay. So here or in this video, I'm not talking about jollof rice or wachi or fried rice. I'm talking about the rice itself as a grain and how you can improve upon its flavor, its taste, and the overall appearance, okay. I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share when you are done watching, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. And until we meet again, don't forget to keep blooming.